Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back for question number 14 on the University of Waterloo's Cayley paper from the year 2003. Carly takes 3 steps to walk the same distance as Jim walks in 4 steps. Okay. Each of Carly's steps covers 0.5 meters. How many meters does Jim travel in 24 steps? Okay. So, there's a couple ways we can do this calculation depending on how we want to go about doing it. So Jim walks 4 steps the same way Carly takes 3 steps. So how many sets of Carly steps does it take for Jim to do 4 steps? Well, there's 3 Carly steps in every 4 Jim steps. We've got 24 Jim steps. So 4 divided by 4 is 6, times 3 is 18. 18 of Carly's steps would be 18 times 0.5 meters. That'd be a great way to do it. And we'd get 18 times 0.5, so 9, I'm going to say is my answer. Or what we can do is actually work out the distance that Jim travels in each step. This is the way I would recommend doing it if it were, say, a written question. In 2003, they introduced the Galois paper, which is a written grade 10 level contest, and I would recommend working out each of Jim's steps, in case this were an A part and there were a B or C that required more knowledge about Jim's steps. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to figure out how much does each step of Jim cover, what sort of distance, and then we can just multiply that by 24. I think that's a great way to do it too. Both of them are fine, and both of them, if you latch onto the idea really quickly, it's just a simple calculation. So, Carly's step covers 0.5 meters. So 3 of Carly's steps is 3 times 0.5 meters, and that's 1.5 meters. Okay. So that's how many of Carly's steps we get there. So 4 of Jim's steps is the same as 3 of Carly's steps. So that's also 1.5 meters. So Jim's step covers 1.5 meters divided by 4. 4 of them make up 1.5 meter. So if you need to, of course, you can grab a calculator, 1.5 divided by 4. And since they gave us everything in decimals, I would keep it in decimals, and we get 0.375 meters. So that's how long a single Jim step takes. We're looking for 24 Jim steps. So that's 24 times a single Jim step. So 24 times the number we were given is in fact 9. So 9 meters. And I think that was B. Let's just double check. Yeah, it was B that I had circled before. Okay. So we bubble in B on the sort of Scantron sheet that they give us. And we're off to question number 15 in the next video. So I'll see you there.